Have you ever felt that strange curiosity, that feeling that there's something hidden beneath the world you know? Something vast, mysterious, and maybe a little dangerous? The internet you use every single day, the Google searches, the Instagram feeds, the YouTube videos like this one, that's only the surface. Beneath it lies an entirely different universe, one that most people never see, but many whisper about. A place where anonymity is power, secrets are currency, and every click could take you somewhere you never expected. This is the dark web. You're watching Tech Troubleshooters, the channel where we simplify the tech chaos around you, expose the truth behind digital myths, and help you stay safe in a world that's always watching. If you love deep tech, mysterious concepts, and the hidden mechanics of the internet, then you're in the right place. When people hear the words dark web, their minds jump straight to crime, danger, and the unknown. But the truth is far more complex, and far more human. Imagine the internet as an ocean. The part you can see, the websites in your bookmarks, the apps you open every morning, that's just the surface water. Calm, open, and familiar. But beneath that, the ocean gets deeper, colder, and harder to see. Most of the internet actually lives down there, tucked behind logins, passwords, and private networks. And then, at the darkest depths, where the sunlight can't reach at all, that's where the dark web lives. It's a place intentionally hidden, where websites don't use normal links and where you can't simply type something on Google to find answers. These sites use a special type of address ending in .onion, and they're protected by layers of encryption that keep both the user and the website anonymous. And because of that anonymity, the dark web becomes a refuge for some, and a playground for others. Most people don't know this, but the dark web wasn't created for criminals. It was built as a shield, a place where people who needed protection could communicate without being watched. Journalists use it to talk to whistleblowers. Activists in censored countries use it to speak freely. Ordinary people use it just to browse without being tracked. But just like a dark alley in any city, the lack of light attracts shadows. And those shadows come in the form of illegal markets, scammers, data thieves, and dangerous communities that exist only because nobody knows who they are. The dark web is a paradox, a place where freedom and danger breathe the same air. If the dark web is a hidden world, then Tor Browser is the secret doorway. But it's not magic, it's engineering. The moment you open Tor, your connection doesn't go straight to a website like normal browsers. Instead, it bounces through multiple random servers around the world, each peeling off one encrypted layer at a time, like an onion. No single server ever knows the full path. No one can easily trace you. And that is what makes the dark web possible. But anonymity is not the same as invincibility. And on the dark web, that difference matters. If you ever decide to explore this world, and I mean explore legally, responsibly, just to learn, you must remember one thing: curiosity doesn't protect you. Only caution does. Download Tor only from the official website. Don't add strange extensions. Don't download anything unless you know exactly what it is. Keep your identity, your name, email, accounts, everything, far away from that browser. And most importantly, understand that every link is a door, and not every door opens to something safe. Some places are calm. Some are disturbing. Some are outright traps, created by hackers or even law enforcement to catch criminals. One careless click, and the anonymity you thought you had can disappear. People imagine the dark web as a lawless jungle, but the truth is more nuanced. There are communities discussing cybersecurity, privacy, encryption, people who genuinely want to learn or protect themselves. There are whistleblower platforms where truth comes to light in the safest way possible. But yes, darker things exist too. Markets where illegal goods are traded. Forums filled with stolen data, fake IDs, or hacking discussions. There are scams everywhere, pages that look trustworthy but are designed to empty your wallet or infect your device. The dark web is unpredictable. One moment it feels like a tech hub, the next moment it feels like a place you want to step away from immediately. That duality, that contrast between enlightening and unsettling, is what makes the dark web so mysterious, and so dangerous. So now you know, the dark web isn't just evil, and it isn't just exciting. It's a hidden world built on privacy, shaped by mystery, and surrounded by risk. Whether you ever explore it or not, understanding it makes you smarter, safer, and more aware of the digital universe we're all living in. If this journey opened your eyes or sparked your curiosity, then make sure you stick around, because there's so much more to uncover. Thank you for watching Tech Troubleshooters. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden layers of the internet, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves tech mysteries, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another exploration. We solve the tech troubles, so you can explore the digital world with confidence.